Now, what is the purpose of today? Well, it is for us to explore how we can maximize output with effective scheduling. So what are the benefits to effective scheduling? Well, with effective scheduling, you can maximize the loading of your resources and achieve high levels of order fulfillment. There is a real wealth of tools and functionalities inside of the Link solution for effective scheduling. Let's explore auto scheduling. Now, as we have our finite capacity model in place and constraint definitions defined, we can be confident that we can select work orders en masse and schedule them efficiently. So if I take my work orders here and proceed into auto schedule them, I'm able to start thinking about prioritization and product groupings. Now you can see in my work orders here I have a series of colors. Now I can simply group by the color of my bicycles like so, and even maybe prioritize the sequencing of the colors of these bicycles. And maybe even as a secondary measure, we see different types and sizes of bicycles. Well, let's group by that as a secondary measure. And what you can see is that within colors, let's look at yellow here. Within colors, you see like for like products grouped efficiently. This begins to foster operational efficiencies as this plan hits the shop floor. You're minimizing setup and changeover times. Now, let's execute this auto schedule. The result of which we are able to quickly see in the graphical planning board and understand what the loading looks like to each of your work units. Certainly, as you look at each of your work units over here on the left, you can see a percentage that tells you the residual capacity on each of your work units. Utilizing the variable zoom controls, should you wish to zoom out, you can then start understanding not only short-term, but a long-term picture of your loading, and even identify particular work units that may represent a bottleneck resource. You can then save and publish it, and we can do so with a couple of clicks like so. And amidst that process, what happens is that the yellow graphical planning bars and the yellow thumbs that we have been seeing have all turned to green, as you can see here. And that is a symbol to you that you have confirmed the plan and indeed scheduled that plan. Now, referring back to the scheduled start and due dates, what has happened in this save and publish process is that these updated dates have been written back to your ERP, ensuring a closed loop of information. A second thing that has happened saving and publishing this plan is that it has been dispatched into online visualization and interactive job lists for easy execution on your shop floor. I think important to say is that it's particularly via the auto scheduling we witnessed there, in minutes, you're able to create optimum plans. And let's move into the dispatching of this plan. Now we arrive at the dispatching dashboard, and in this dashboard, you can see quickly and visually two key metrics that a production planner is measured upon, that of loading and order fulfillment. The Link solution provides full loss visualization. And if we just take a glimpse of this, with this loss visualization provided, you're able to begin identifying and understanding what your loading loss is, and then begin minimizing and eliminating it, really via effective scheduling and in pursuit of continuous improvement.